I was just making my coffee this morning and I realized that it's gonna get really hot outside. It's gonna be really hot and sunny in the morning, you know, because like we're coming up to spring and summer, and I don't have a good iced coffee recipe. And the problem with that is, what is the problem with that? Oh, right. I literally admire all of these TikTokers that are like doing a little iced coffee thing with the jug, and then they put the ice in it, and then they put the caramel, the coffee, and then they put the milk, and they froth the creamer, and they put it on top. There are literally no options of creamer that are dairy-free, unsweetened, and have no oil in them. Like, did you know that creamer has oil in it? Am I the only one who didn't know that? Because I was not aware. Now I'm just like, okay, how am I supposed to make a good iced coffee? I do have a creamer that has no oil. I think it might be oat milk, but I used that in an iced coffee once and it wasn't good. It was watered down. And then I used this Starbucks cold brew thing that like everyone uses online, and like, do they think it tastes good? I think the only reason why it actually tastes good is because they use sweetened creamers, and I can't do that. So I guess it's gonna be hot coffee for the summer. And also, I don't understand why I can't make matcha at home and like it, but every time I go to Starbucks, I get matcha now. Anyways, so in this vlog, I want to show you guys my everyday makeup routine and then give you guys a little update on the apartment tour. And I want to show you how I organize my phone. I did a spring cleaning video. Then I realized I didn't really show my phone in that. I just showed my laptop, so I'll do a little what's on my iPhone. So I'm really excited for today. Also, this shirt is so tight on me, but it's so cute. I think it's time to sell this on Depop. If you want this shirt, go to my Depop. I'm actually gonna finish watching the Alicia Marie and Remy Ashton 24 hours in their bedroom challenge, and then I'll get on with the makeup. I love doing makeup tutorials. I feel so like professional, like I know what I'm talking about. I feel like my skin looks pretty good lately, except for the fact that when I was trying to do eyeliner, I literally messed up 6 times, so I was rubbing a makeup, and now I have like permanent red eyelids. I have been obsessed. I know my mom's watching this and like, Sadie, if you use the word obsessed literally one more time, I'm going to delete your channel. But I have been greatly appreciating the Pacifica Lip Shine. This is the clear one. Oh my gosh. I also got some other colors. Pale Sunset, Rosy Glow, and then I'm going to use this Pacifica Vegan Collagen Everyday Lotion with SPF 30 in it. Sunscreen's done. That's what my skin looks like. I use the Pacifica Glow Baby Serum. This has glycolic acid and vitamin C. This is what makes my makeup glowy. So I usually do like 3 drops. Now I'm gonna take a concealer. Recently I've been getting these things called under eye bags. Never used to have those. I went through a very hard week a couple weeks ago and I wasn't sleeping well, but I'm going to be using concealer under my eyes, also on my cheeks and any blemishes that I have. This is the Ordinary High Coverage Concealer in the color 1.2 Yellow Gold. This is the Ordinary Serum Lightweight Foundation in 1.2 Yellow Gold. I'm prepping myself for summer skin where I barely have to wear any foundation. I'm so excited for that. This is the side with the serum and this is the side without. Like, you can still see the glow through the foundation. You can see freckles. Really would recommend the Ordinary foundation. Next up, we have bronzer, guys. I don't think I'll ever be able to find a bronzer that's not the Bare Minerals one that matches my skin tone. I usually put it pretty high up on my cheek. I'm wondering if you guys are like kind of back to regular life, or are you still at home all the time just like we were at the beginning of quarantine? Please comment that. I'm also wanting to make a TikTok that's like things I miss about high school, because recently I've just been missing high school so much. There's just certain things that I miss. Obviously I don't miss the schoolwork. I just liked going to school and like seeing my friends and like knowing who I was gonna see there, being able to walk in the halls, having it be Friday and figuring out what we're doing on the weekend. Like, are we going shopping? Are we just gonna hang out? Are we gonna go to a drive-in? Is there a party? I just miss those days. But then I'm also like, I love being independent and I probably would never want to go back to high school, but I just feel like it's unfinished. Didn't have a prom, didn't have a grad, and I haven't seen any of my friends since. Also, my apartment tour update. There are still a couple of decoration things that need to be done. Like I want to hang some pictures. My rod for my closet fell down in the middle of the night. I had a mini heart convulsion. I have to rehang some stuff in my bathroom and just finalize the decor. But I'm so excited for my apartment tour. I use the RMS pressed blush in Lost Angel. This is the prettiest blush I have ever used. Also lately, like yesterday, I just got the biggest burst of motivation and inspiration that I hadn't had in so long. And it's weird because I wrote in my gratitude journal that morning, I'm so grateful for the blessing that is about to come to me today. And I really believe that there was something exciting coming. So yesterday was very productive. I answered questions for a tube filter article that I'm gonna be in. So yeah, that was super exciting. And then we're obviously using Champagne Pop right there. Should I try eyeliner? Oh, I'm scared. Okay, we're back. It looks good from far away, and I'm okay with that. It doesn't have to look good from up close. I usually just cover up with mascara. Today, we're gonna be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara Full Fan Effect. I'm in love with this mascara. This is what everyone was asking in my Instagram story. They're like, what do you use on your lashes? This every single time. I curl my eyelashes with the Revlon Isaac Mizrahi eyelash curler. You can get this from Shoppers. Lashes are done. I love doing lashes. Next up we have eyebrows. So I'm giving the Gimme Brow in number 3. I really have to get better at actually plucking my eyebrows. Sometimes I forget and then I look in the mirror and I'm like, wait, you're going back to grade 7 vibes. I literally had a unibrow. I just used my little face shaver. It makes makeup go on so much better because there's no little hairs. And then to pluck, I just use these little tweezers. Then I will use this face shaver for like underneath and like here. What is next? Eyeshadow. This is where I switch it up a bit sometimes. Pacifica sent me this eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna do like a peachy tone. Do you see that? Okay, then I take High Brow Glow from Benefit and I use this on my inner corners and also under my eyebrows, and then I'll just blend it. Last, we have lips. My favorite lip pencil is the Nude by Nature one in soft pink. And if I am going to overline a bit, I'll only overline here and not here because I want that pouty look. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using the Pale Sunset color of the RMS gloss. To finish it off, I'm going to be using the Florence Lily Jasmine Mist by Millie Bobby Brown. Shake it all in. And that is my photo shoot slash filming makeup routine. I'm gonna try and take an Instagram photo one last time to commemorate this shirt. It's like the famous Princess Polly shirt that literally everyone used to have. I need some dry shampoo. I don't really like this one. It's the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh XXL volume. It kind of makes me feel like I just dumped a bunch of sand in my hair, but it does make it not greasy. I feel like I should do the little pigtail things again. Guys, I did not think that hairstyle was gonna look good on me. And when I did it, I was like, wait, oh my god, that smells so bad. I looked like Addison Rae's hairstyle. What I did is I took a comb, part my hair in the middle. Ow, 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 ow. This is the part where you have to decide how much hair you want hanging in the front. Yeah, that could be good, like right there. Then I use tiny little hair ties. Make sure that it's sticking out and not back. And once I do that, I pull it tight so it's actually sticking out. See, like that's so cute. And then I do it on the other side. That's what the hairstyle looks like. Oh my gosh, I know what it reminds me Harley Quinn. That's who it reminds me of. Wait, it looks super good straight. I love how I look so dressed up on top and then I'm wearing sweatpants. But I definitely need to take an Instagram photo today. I've already used my balcony. Literally every single spot in my living room. Like, I'm running out of space in my apartment to take photos. I've been obsessed with Follow the White Rabbit by Madison Beer. I was so late listening to her album and I'm so mad at myself for that. Usually I'm like pretty up to speed with Madison and Ariana, but this time I kind of dropped the ball. So I'm gonna do a little what's on my iPhone and how I keep it really decluttered and organized. Okay, so on the first page, I only have the apps that I use every single day. I have Netflix, YouTube, VSco, Snapchat, phone, photos, notes, TikTok, Instagram, settings, Waze, and Pinterest. Oh, if you want my iOS icon packs, you can go to my merch shop. It'll be linked down below. And then on the bottom, I have Mail, Safari, Messages, and Spotify. Up at the top, I actually used to have the regular calendar widget there. It was the Apple widget that you could just add from Apple. And instead, I forgot that you could like customize the Widgetsmith calendar one. What I did for this one, I picked the calendar, the upcoming events one. Then I just honestly made a whole new theme. So I added the background color, the font, and the font color, and I just made it a whole custom theme. So now if I ever wanted to add another notes, it would already have this pink and dark brown theme. Swipe over to the next page. I have YouTube Studio, Camera, Lightroom. Oh my gosh, I just released a new preset so I can show you guys. It's called Coffee. This is for like the VSco photos that you just want to make look really moody. I go to presets and press Coffee. This is really different than all of my other presets. All of them are all like saturated and really blue and purple tone. This is more yellow toned. This is before and after of this one. It makes it look like a vintage photo. You can get it on my website, link down below. Then I have Starbucks. Recently, I've been getting the tall iced matcha latte with no cane syrup, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and sub almond milk. And that is so good. Oh my gosh, I want it right now. I have FaceTime, Bank, Airbrush, which is how I blur the background in my thumbnails. I'm actually gonna show you how I do that. I would go to Tools, Blur, I'd pick Auto, and it literally just blurs the background for you. You can do this on Photoshop with just like the selection tool, but if I really just want to blur a photo super fast, I'll use this. Then I have calendar over here because when you press into this calendar, it doesn't actually lead you to the calendar. I have my to-do list here, which is my main to-do in my reminders app. My background is on Pinterest. I pinned it on my phone backgrounds thing. Then I have the app Safe Up over here because I am scared of walking alone at night and also in my like parking garage and stuff. So it has all these different features. If you feel unsafe and you want to like call someone and have someone on the phone, press Safe Call, and there are a bunch of these guardians around you that are girls that will like get an alert or they'll pick up the call. And if you just want to share your location with someone, or if you need help right now, you can just swipe at the bottom. That's that. All of my other apps I have in the app library. My phone case is from Amazon. I will link it down below. I'm also pretty sure it's on my storefront. My parents are actually going to be coming over today. I just called my mom and I basically asked if she was okay to come and rehang my curtain that's supposed to be up there, and she said yes. And she's also going to take an Instagram photo for me. We take it with the Canon EOS 80D with the 1 to 2.8 STM lens. I'm pretty sure it's a lens that it comes with. And I'm gonna take some stuff off of this SD card. Okay, I just filmed 2 TikToks. I couldn't show because of copyright reasons, but now it's time to make a thumbnail. Let's go. My pants 2 jeans because I felt like sweatpants didn't really go with the outfit. This is a complete outfit. I need shoes. Obviously this top is from Princess Polly. I'll link down below where the earrings are from. And then these carpenter style jeans, which still fit me so well. Usually jeans get loose in the waist, but these still fit and they're so freaking comfortable. These are from Guess. They have a little Guess thing right there. I'm so excited to take photos. I'm gonna meet my mom down in the lobby. I need to take this camera off. SD card, all set. Okay, I'm gonna wear these boots. They're from L'Intal Val. It's like a grudge type of moment. There is the outfit. Practice posing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think we're ready. Change of plan. I'm going to go walk to where my parents are parked. And they're just waiting for me there. We found a location. Oh my gosh, we actually got it. When is it that we actually get the photo on like the first couple tries? Before I was leaving, I was like, jacket, glucose, teas, coffee, mask. Anything you have to say? Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Sitting in the new Kia. Hey guys, bought a new car. Oh, I'm kidding. I got so many looks when walking over here. Like I look either 8 or like, actually, no, I just look 8. I was also carrying 2 cameras and a tripod. And everyone was like, what is she doing? Curtain rod check! Actually, this does make a huge difference in my videos because whenever I'm vlogging like this, it was really bad to see all of my clothes and like blackness back there. So now it just looks all clean. And that means it's also 1 step closer to my apartment tour. My mom's trying to put liquid shadow on me. These are the twinkle paints from Pacifica. Oh my gosh, it tickles so bad.
Really
That's
nice.
so pretty. This is a bucket of all of the PR makeup that either isn't my shade or I feel like my friends or like my parents would use more than I would.
Parents.
My parents! Dad, we want to use makeup. My mom wants me to try. Show it.
It's a messy bun.
To put over an actual bun,
Yeah.
though. I have to start out by making a bun. It looks like a mushroom. Okay, then you have to like pull pieces down.
Yeah, you gotta.
Come,
Does that.
come, let's see what
Well, you put it right on top.
I'm really trying hard to like it. Like it's so big. Let me know down below if this looks good. Okay, so I'm picking up the food. This guy like comes in and he's carrying like a white bag of food. And I'm like, oh, that must be the guy. So then I walk out and I'm like, are you for Sadie? And he's like, I don't think so. And I was like, oh, sorry, okay. And then I get a call that the other guy buzzed in, like my food guy. And he's like, okay, I'm here. And I'm like, oh, you're at the other entrance. So I go to the other entrance and he gives me my food. And he says, enjoy. And I say, you too. That's so awkward. Burger haul. Okay, so this is a cauliflower steak in the middle and it has lettuce and stuff like that on a gluten-free bun from
really
Parka. And I also got a side Caesar salad without croutons. Without croutons. Okay, I'm going to be ending this vlog now. That was a crazy day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing day and keep writing in those gratitude journals. I will see you in my next video. Bye.